Zoe Ball is taking a break from her BBC Radio 2 show following the announcement that her mom has been diagnosed with cancer. BBC Radio 2 presenter Zoe Ball took the time to thank her good friend Gabby Roslin for stepping in to host the show in her place. The 53-year-old DJ announced she was taking some time away to support her mother. Zoe shared that her family were going through tough times after her mom Julie Peckham was diagnosed with cancer. Gabby Roslin, 59, is believed to be a permanent stand-in for future shifts until Zoe returns. The celebrity Gogglebox regular took to social media to announce the sad news. She concluded her message by saying, "Thanks to Gabby for stepping in. Lots of love." Her reply to the post read, "Love you Zoe and such huge love to your beautiful mummy." Taking to Instagram, the BBC star shared a heartbreaking post detailing the situation with her 698,000 followers. Zoe posted 2 images. One of her mother, 74, in the hospital, and another snap of her surrounded by family. She wrote in the caption, "Heartbreakingly, our beautiful mama Julia has been diagnosed with cancer. As many of you know from experience, these are extremely tough times. Mum is being incredibly brave. My brother Jamie and I are completely in awe of the brilliant doctors, nurses and support teams looking after Mum. Thank you. Gratitude to our families and our extended family and friends at home and at work for their support at this time." Zoe then added, "Sending out love to people reading this who are battling cancer or awaiting diagnosis, and also to the folk looking after their dear ones who are poorly." In the wake of the shocking news, Zoe added that Gabby Roslin would be filling in for her on her breakfast to allow her to care and spend time with her mom. She continued, "I'm trying to be at work on breakfast as often as I can, but occasionally need to be home with my mama. Thanks to Gabby for stepping in. Lots of love."